200 different species of bird. The Smokies are a never-ending song that changes with each season, and each man flies. Hey y'all, look over on the left side, waving Miss Lillian down there. See her Craftsman Rally with an umbrella, manger, and chicken in her hand. Yeah, kicking her heels. Oh, look at her go. We love you, Miss Lillian. Yeah, you're welcome. Go down there and see Miss Lillian down there at Craftsman Rally. All right, one last time. Let's do that howdy. One last time. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Wow, great job, y'all. Keep up good work. Hey, y'all out there in the village, y'all come out, ride with us here on the Dollywood Express. Folks on the train, we'd like to thank y'all for riding with us today. On behalf of my fellow conductor, Ramona, and myself, hope y'all have a blissful day. Keep having a blissful day, and be careful going home tonight. Over here on the right-hand side, you see the river there flowing. That's called River Rampage. It will soak you from head to toe, and I tell you, it'll cool you right on down. River Rampage. You'll see engine number 7, Cinderella, built in 1938. Look at there, engine number 7, Cinderella. Looks like, yeah, built 1938. That green building is where.
There she is.
That green building is where they can rebuild the engine from the wheels to the smokestack. Howdy, Andy. Howdy, y'all. There's the engine crew out there waiting. Hey, howdy. Everybody just please stay seated. Just stay seated when they come to a stop. So everyone please just stay seated when they come to a stop. Let that Knoxville train go on up through the mountains. So just stay seated. Just remain seated. Different species of bird. The Smokies are a never-ending song that changes with each season, and each man flies.
I could live over there. That's nice and peaceful.
Now folks, we're real proud of Klondike Katie. So much so we like to have a show off every now and again. Let's get that engineer Casey to blow the whistle on the calendar. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle. Big round of applause to Engineer Casey and Klondike Katie. Now here on the left side, look at the Blue Mountains. That's the Great Smoky Mountains you're looking at way over beyond the Blue Mountains. See the Great Smoky Mountains, a breathtaking view. Now you know why the Cherokee Indians call these mountains Land of the Blue Smoke. Now at the dawn of the 20th century, there were over 1,200 farms in these Prairie Mountains. Coming up on the left side is going to be the homestead. There in the middle is going to be the main house. That's where the family lived at. Further down's gonna be the chicken coop. That's where the chickens stay that late, the eggs, and eggs are gathered. Oh yeah, there's Henrietta the chicken watching a train go by. Little red roof building, that's known as your spring house. That's where they kept the milk and butter coop. Oh yeah, Smoky's important down there in the middle of the woods, the cross track down there, through there. That was called
what
the
a
outhouse. Most important.
What a
First
beautiful
step, you open
view.
the door,
Yeah,
close the door,
You see
and
the house up
then
on the hill?
kids need to ask
the
mom
house
and
up on the
dad.
hill?
They'll tell you all about it. And if they look kind of confused, we'll just ask your grandparents.
Huge
They'll tell
house
you.
up there.
Coming up on the left side, it's called Fire Chaser Express. It's a dual launch coaster. Y'all be